As you may know, I went to Chinatown in Chicago, and I'm trying some of the snacks that I got. And I had to make the video. I had to make the video right now because I almost forgot to make the video. But I also got these type of ramen noodles too. See, that's what reminded me. I was like, oh, I got to make a video. I just want to crack these open. The first Kit Kat is this flavor. I think it's a green tea flavor. I don't know. I can't read none of this. I'm gonna be real. I can't read none of it. So this is how it looks. Gonna try it. It's like a matcha flavor. This one is a pumpkin, I think, Halloween. Oh my God. This looks so pretty. Orange. Orange. Give it a try. It tastes like a candle. Hold up. So, it's like one of the fall candles. Like, when you think of fall, you think of like pumpkins, coziness, and all that. I promise you, it tastes just like that. You should start rating them. The matcha and chocolate one, 8 out of 10. The pumpkin fall one, 6.5 out. This is a milk tea one. This one finally has something in English. Let's try it right now. Oh, it's bumpy right here. It's bumpy. Here we go. It's bumpy, but let's give it a try. I don't even want to finish this. 3 out of 10. Ugh. The palate cleanser. This one is, I don't know, this pink. Strawberry, I assume. Looks like a strawberry. Can you see it? Looks like strawberry. It is strawberry. Eight out of 10. Now the last but not least, it looks like a pie one. I wish I could read this, but it's okay. Okay. Oh. Again, all of the colors have been pretty much the same. I don't know. All the other ones have very distinct flavors from the first bite. I think apple pie. Got it. This is the sauce. The garnish. Gonna pop that up in there. This is how it looks. So you can see it. Hold up. So. We got the boiling water. Okay. Got it poured in. Now we're gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. We'll be back. I can do one. So it's been about 3 minutes. That was kind of fast, but we're gonna. They gave you a little peely thing so you can peel it off. So I'm going to peel it. Drain the water. This is pretty cool though. I will say, I wish the American ramen noodles had something like this. You can just peel it. Now I'm gonna give you guys, so now 3 minutes, that don't look done. That's just me though. So now we're gonna add the sauce. Okay. We're gonna cut it open and not use our teeth. Got it? Go dump the sauce up in that thing. Stir it around. Get in a nice little stir. So we got it. Okay. Let's get it right here. Never had this kind before either. So that's what we just want to let everybody know. Nothing special for real. Out of all the ramen noodles I've ever had, it's good. It's better than like the ones with the beef chicken flavor for sure. But like, it's cool. I wouldn't get it again though. Yeah, wouldn't get it again. I literally just picked it out and just grabbed a random one. It's cool though. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, man, please like and subscribe. Just want to say, keep the vibes good and the eats even better. I wouldn't get this 6 out of 10 for sure though. But peace.